Hey, it's Chris. So you're working on traditional hubs and you want to maintain or adjust it with ease. You should definitely use an axle vise. This will help you to set the hub properly into a vise and adjust or maintain your hub much faster and easier. Okay, let's dig into it.
Unior's axle vise is made from hardened and tempered special tool steel. It is chrome-plated to comply with EN 12540. The tool is spring-loaded for easy installation and removal from the vise, as well as installation and removal of the hubs. Unior's axle vise is compatible with traditional 9mm front hubs as well as traditional 10mm rear hubs. To lock a hub into place, simply install the hub axle into the compatible slot and tighten the vise. To remove the axle from the tool, release the vise.
Okay, so easy to use, effective, not much more to say about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.